that's a better explanation than I usually give people. The best one I've heard, my boss, when I talk to him, he says, I say, how does solar energy work? He says, real good. As long as you point them at the sun. So what we do is we come out and we take a look at which part of your house is facing south. Does everybody know where the sun comes up? Where does it set? So why would you want to face south? So you get as much east and west as you can, right? So for that, we use a device like this. It's called a Pathfinder, and it looks interesting, like it has no battery, and it's plastic. And what it actually does is it lets us know where the sun's going to be in the sky throughout the entire year. That's what somebody did with this little piece of paper, is they set this out under a lens like this where they could see a reflection. And they over a whole course of a year, they traced all these lines. So they knew where the sun would be at what time and our latitude. Anybody know our latitude? Nope. Okay. So people ask me, they say, well, which way do my solar panels face? Like, how much tilt? How much do they tilt towards the south? You say, well, they tilt your latitude. So the Earth's a ball, and if you want to point directly at the sun, if you're in the northern hemisphere, you're going to point at 31 degrees latitude. That's where you're at. 30 degrees, 25 feet. This is calibrated. What that means is, you set this outside the yard, you line up the compass with south here,
And they sell it to a pipeline company. The pipeline company distributes or transports it, moves it from the Gulf of Mexico or moves it from one part of the country to another part of the country, sends it down the transportation line, and it gets to the regulator stations, which is us. We go to the pipeline company, whether it be Gulf South or Semper or Spectra or whoever it may be, and we say, hey, look, Lake Charles is a nice sized city. We'd like to sell natural gas to the customers in the area, so we buy the natural gas from the pipeline company. So we're like the third party, okay? The oil company finds it, they sell it to the pipeline company moves it, basically like a highway.